Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add keyframes in CapCut on PC. And this is quite simple. So first of all, I want to select a project. So this project is fine for me now. And we want to add a keyframe. So what we're gonna do now is click on the clip. And then if you can see, if you go a little bit further, you can click on this icon just right here and then you add a keyframe. Now at this keyframe, if I zoom a little bit out, and when we are now around 4 seconds further, I want to add another keyframe where I want to zoom in on the description just right here. So right now, if I'm going to the beginning and I play this video, you can see that he is zooming in my videos on CapCut very easily. So this is exactly how you can add keyframes and how you can work with keyframes. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.